Hey guys, so I totally forgot to do an intro, so we're gonna start the video already by first priming my eyelids with the Maybelline Master Chrome Concealer in the shade Light, and I'm using this flat brush from Wet n Wild. Yeah, I totally forgot to do an intro. I'm so sorry, you guys. And also, I forgot to do an outro, so heads up for that. Now, I'm just gonna be using the Airspun Naturally Neutral powder to set the concealer that I put on my eyes. Next, I'll be using this palette that I actually did in ColourPop. So all these shades, I actually chose them and then they sent me a palette and I put them in there. So I don't know the name of the shades, but if you guys want to know, just leave me a comment down below and I'll try to look for the name of the shades. But as you guys can see, this one's like a little bit of like a chocolate brown kind of. We're going to be using this one for my transition shade. Now I'm going to be grabbing another brush. This is from the brush set from Morphe that I've been using for a while now. I don't know the names of the brushes, but it comes in a set. I think it's called Eyes Fave Babe brushes or some shit like that. But just let me know if you guys want to know the names and I'll leave them in the comments. Now, as you guys can see, it looked a little bit messy, so I had to clean it up real quick with the wipey. And of course, I had to keep blending it just to make sure everything looks nice. Now, I'm going to be cutting my crease. And for that, I'm going to be using this flat brush that comes in the Morphe brush set. And yeah, pretty much just follow my eye shape. Now I'm gonna be setting that with this shade color from the Subculture palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And next I'm be using the same color I used on earlier just to kind of define my crease more and make it look more, to have more definition. Now next step is gonna be eyeliner. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild eyeliner in the shade Black, of course, and pretty much just do my wing. After I'm done with the wing eyeliner, I'm going to be grabbing the James Charles palette and using the Ring Light shade just to pop it on my brow bone. And next, for prepping my eyelashes for falsies, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara in the shade Black. And the eyelashes that I'm going to be using today are going to be the IG lashes from Baddie, of course. And yeah, I'm just going to be popping those in. Next, I'm gonna just put more eyeliner on top of my eyelash just so you guys won't see the glue. And yeah, over here I was just feeling myself a little bit. But yeah, after that, I'm gonna be using this Baby Skin primer for my face. It's by Maybelline, I think. And yeah, just prepping my face for foundation, which, by the way, for foundation, I'll be mixing both of these foundations. Which one is called Locket, I don't know by who though, I got it on my Ipsy bag. And then the other one, it's Maybelline Stay 24 Hour Foundation in the shade 128. Now I'm gonna be grabbing my Morphe Beauty sponge just to blend out all the foundation. By the way, you guys, I'm sorry if I'm talking a little too fast. I edited the video a little bit, I guess I put it way too fast. So yeah, I'm sorry. Next, I'll be using the Master Chrome Concealer in the shade Light that we used earlier, just to put it on my dark circles and on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin. Now I'm gonna be blending everything out. Next, I'll be using this cream contour stick from Wet n Wild in the shade Light and Medium, and pretty much contour my face. And now I'm blending it out again with the same sponge. Yeah, I don't think it's good if I use the same sponge for contouring and then blending on my foundation, but fuck it. And I always use a brush to blend out my nose. I feel like that's a little bit more easier for me. But yeah, now I'm gonna be baking my face, and I'm gonna be using the same powder that I used earlier, which is the Airspun powder. And yeah, I don't know why I keep throwing peace signs. I probably did that shit like 100 times on this video. So embarrassing. Anyways, to finish off with the eye look, I went back with the same eyeshadow that I used on top of my eyes and added mascara, of course. Now I'm gonna just put a little bit of eyeliner like on the corner of my eye to make it more of a cat eyeliner, if that makes sense. Now I'm gonna be removing the powder that I have on my face, and go ahead and use this bronzer that came with my Ipsy bag as well. I'm pretty sure it's by Beauty Creations, but I'm not sure. I gotta look again. But this is one of my favorite bronzers at the moment. Now I'm gonna be using this little Maybelline contour palette, and I'm gonna be using the blush. And by the way, I think the palette is medium to light as well. Now I'm just cutting my cheek to make sure my contour looks sharp AF. I like going through with